Good day, friends. I just got back from Pastor Zweletini at Sigcaweni ICBC. That is number 4 of 2020. I made a little video for you. I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you that we can travel this journey with you. Watch this.
My name is Zweletini Mamba. This is my wife, Umzile Mamba.
And this is Sigcaweni Church ICBC.
I say thank you very so much.
So we're walking down to Pastor Zweletini's church that he has been keeping and doing church. He's opening his door. There we go. I will go into the back door here. Okay, Pastor Zweletini. How many people are here on a Sunday?
Yeah, about 50 or 70 people
50
here.
or 70 people
Yeah, yeah.
on a Sunday. And how long have you had this church building?
How long?
3 years.
3 years.
Yeah, 3 years.
3 years. And are you excited about your new church building?
Yes, yes. Hey, I'm very happy.
Okay, that's good.